Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fitz Dominic. Okay, so in today's video I'm just gonna tell you, be careful. Yes, be careful with the things you do. So I'm still gonna talk from Proverbs 27 verse 23. Okay, so I'm not just saying it from myself. I just picked some keywords ads that I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna read the first one as look after your sheep and your cattle as carefully as you can, because wealth is not permanent. Not even nation lasts forever. Wealth is not permanent. Not even nation lasts forever. So look after what you have or what you get. What you don't get for hand there is very as in what you don't get for hand. If you lose them, it's very hard to get them back. I don't know whether now let me or if now let me make na 10 make a year, because all my viewers say they are from Nigeria, so they understand pidgin English, so no need to the phone. So what you have, you say you should take care of it. Some of you have children, you are not taking care of the children. Some of you have business, you are not taking care of the business. Some of you have wife, you are not taking care of the wife. Some of you have husband, you are not taking care of the husband. Some of you have good health, you are not taking care of your health. You know that kind of a thing. So take care of what you have, because if you lose it, if you have money safe, take care of it. You pay me, say I don't know this thing before. I didn't even see anybody to share this news with me, but thank God I find it at the right time. So take care of what you have. See, sometimes when trials want to come and snatch what you have from you, say no to that trial and take care of it. If trials want to come and snatch your health from you, say no to that trials and take care of your health. Buy medicine if you are sick. Take care of yourself. Run tests. If trials have come in to snatch your husband from you, tell that trials is a lie. You can't snatch my husband from me. It may be that it's not like it's carrying women all over the place. No, it may be that maybe your attitude, or maybe the way you talk to him, you don't respect him in various places. Maybe he's always complaining, he's not always happy with you. Try to work on that. Even though you are doing it right, it's still not working. Put it in prayer. I believe in prayers, though. I believe in prayers. Sometimes, to be frank, when I talk about foolishness, I think I will still be in the top because I want to be the boss. In fact, even in my marriage, I still want to take control. Office cannot work. It can never work unless it's a mother. Just overlook. You know that kind of a thing. So try your best. Try your best to take care of what you have. Don't allow anybody to take it from you. Don't allow the devil to snatch it from you. If you have money, take care of it. If you have children, take care of them. If you have good health, take care of it. If you have business, take care of it. Because what you lose there is hard to get back. That is just the truth of it. I don't know if it's just me or everybody. See, if you lose your phone today, to get it back, unless there is insurance there, someone is standing for you. Okay, if you lose your phone today, I will get it for you. Understand? So don't be foolish. Take care of what you have. Okay, so let's move to the next. The next one I'm still reading it out. You can make a cloth from the wood of your sheep and buy a land with the money you get from selling some of your goods. Make for you and your family and your servants women as well. See, it's still referring to business. It's still referring to business. If you have business that is working well, and you take care of that your business, it can clothe you, it can buy you land, it can buy you food, it can put food on your table, it can do a lot of things for you, it can make you to help other people. You see this now? It's still talking about business. Don't joke with your business. Don't joke with what you have. Don't joke with it, because if you lose it today, you lose everything. You lose your clothes, you lose food for your family, you lose taking care of other people that depend on you. So don't play with your business. Don't play with that thing that is fetching you money. Don't play with it at all. Don't allow anyone to just come and scatter it for you. Take action. Take action, because if you lose that thing, you lose it all. if you lose it today, you lose it all. Faith, where I did see me, I dey talk to people. Don't be like that, oh. Don't be like, oh, you are booking now, you're putting people in bus now, you're not trekking. Don't be like that. Take care of what you have. Take care of that your business. Look for ways to make it work. Don't be shy that, oh, I'm too shy. If I'm shy, I will not be making this video. Because I will say, what am I even saying? My English is not good. Oh, what am I saying? Am I saying it right? Am I saying using word as east? Am I using east as west? Please, this is my business. This is one of my business. Understand? And thank God more will still come. So I'm using this medium to just tell you. See, when you follow God, everything works well. When you follow God, you can't sometimes you can't take care of them on your own. You need to involve God. You need insurance. Your insurance is God. Your power cannot carry it all sometimes. Your power cannot carry it all sometimes. You can't carry it all by yourself sometimes. You make mistake. Believe me when I say that. You will make mistake. But when you carry somebody along, when you carry someone along, or which is the right person, me, I carry God along, it will work. It will work. Not even pastors. Some pastors say they will make you to lose your business. Because when you don't so, you don't even use your whole business to sow seed. What do you want to feed now? What do you want to feed? How you want to take care of the women? How you want to take care of your children? How you want to take care of everybody when they're around you? How you want to clothe yourself? How you want to buy this? How you want to buy that? So be wise. Don't allow anyone to scam you. Don't be pass forward. Be wise and take care of what you have presently. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, thank you so much. Please share with friends, family, anyone that you think that can enjoy this kind of video. I'll be so grateful if you can also subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you. See you next time in my video. Bye. Drop a comment. I want to see your comments. Please just drop a comment before you go. Okay, bye.